Moikka! I am Mari from Taika Channels. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's check out a fun way to do a DIY puzzle. I got this big puzzle from my daughter a while back, and she was like, "Mom, you can use this for something if you want." She didn't need this anymore. So this is like very big puzzle pieces, but of course you can do this in any size you want, or if you have an old puzzle in the shelf that you don't need anymore, this is a fun way to reuse that. So I started to think, what could I do with this? And then came the idea that I would like to just color these pieces and see where it goes. And then first I did the base with white gesso, and then I put some numbers to the back, so I know what comes next. What piece? Yes, this is the first piece over here, and then I started with different kinds of colors and patterns and decorations. It's like go with the flow decorating. So no pre-planning or anything, you just start to decorate. And today I think we will do another piece to this puzzle, and let's see what the colors will be. But yes, let's start the decorating fun and hope you enjoy the video. piece is ready, and I will add some inking to the edge. And now let's add this to the puzzle. There. Now the puzzle has one more piece. If you want this kind of big puzzle, you might want to check those children toy stores. And if you like to go to a charity shop, you might get lucky and get one from there. And if you want to see how I made all of these pieces, I have made shorts from every piece that is here. So you can check them out if you want. But yes, I wish you many happy crafting moments and thank you for watching. And also a warm thank you to the creative community at Taika Patreon. Until next time, moi moi!